Hey, it is now week 2 at Rasmussen College. This is Chemistry 1100C. I'm Dr. B, and what I'd like to do is go over the plan for the week. I've modified this a little bit to try to make it more uh, organized, have a little bit more day-by-day information for you. So I'll just go over what's on this slide, but then I'll click on each of these links because there's a lot within here, and this should help you, I hope, over the course of the week. So here's what you're going to learn. We're studying atoms and molecules. Here's the lessons and the activities that are built into Blackboard. These have no point value, but I'd recommend you have a look at these mostly for the writing because they very succinctly summarize each one. These activity times can be greatly reduced if you're not watching the videos. However, you really might want to do the whole thing, so it's up to you. So this is the lessons and the activities, no point values. I usually recommend the first 2 days for that. And then the module itself. So these are the activities that have point value, the assignments, shall we say. We got 3 labs, an assignment, and a quiz. Here's how the points break down for each one of them. You'll be submitting the 3 labs, 1, 2, and 3, as well as the assignment and the quiz, and you get a total of 230 points. So that's how it all breaks down. Now, to try to make things more straightforward, I've got a day-by-day suggested pacing. Now, you don't have to follow it. Everything's due Sunday at midnight. If you have a strong background, you can do these briefly. If you need all of this assistance, which you may, it's all there ready to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on each one of these links to show you what it has. Overall, I'm suggesting that on Monday and Tuesday, you read all these lessons, watch these videos. Now, these are the videos that I've created. You can supplement them by watching all the videos that are in here. These are mostly Khan Academy videos. They're a little bit longer. I think mine are better. And that's for the first 2 days. Don't forget, on the first evening, that's Monday evening at 7 p.m., we'll have a live classroom where we'll go over the all the core material. Then on Tuesday, same thing, complete your lessons and videos. The videos here, if you click on this link, it will be an entire playlist of the videos that I've created for this lab, for this week. And then on Wednesday, on Tuesday, you can start the first lab. So here's the worksheet for it, designed to make it easy to hand in, and some video help. This was created actually by one of the other professors at Rasmussen College to assist you. Then the second lab, the worksheet you'll hand in, the video help, also also by another professor. The third lab is just basically a worksheet, and you'll see that it doesn't really require video help. It's pretty much straightforward. On Friday, there's the assignment, and here's the worksheet for it. This is worth a lot of points and can be challenging. When you get stuck, refer to the material there. On Saturday, I'd recommend you take the quiz, which is worth 80 points, 36 multiple choice questions. And I strongly recommend that you go over the review before you take the quiz to make sure you understand each topic and are ready to go. And if you follow this procedure, you get to rest on Sunday and not do anything at all, and this helps prevent cramming. So let me click on each of the links. On Monday, it's the lesson and videos, so I'm going to click on that. And nothing's happening. There it is. Hey, this is Dr. B, and let's take a look at some early evidence. Okay, so this is the complete playlist for Module 2. You'll see that it consists of 19 videos. Now, don't be too put off because a lot of them are as little as 1 minute long, 3 minutes long. As you're watching them, if you say to yourself, I'm very comfortable with average atomic mass, well, you could just go to the next one. I like these because they autoplay right one to the other, just like Netflix. You could be on a treadmill listening to it. You can be, you could drive in your car and listen to it, or you can just watch the entire thing. It does help to have the slides in front of you, but this has all of that, all the material. And I would say if you've watched all these, you have a good idea of all the core material. So that's that link right there. Good. Okay, and let's click on the lessons. here. Now, if you're not logged in, you may actually get somewhere else, and this is actually what it looks like for a professor, but this is designed to go right into, see, this is the lessons for uh, unit for the second week. So everything here is the reading material that I think is really well done. Be careful, it can slow you way down when you get to the videos that they recommend you watch. Things like these videos can be upwards of 20 minutes long sometime. But if you read all of this, it's probably the quickest way to have an overview of all of the material that is present in the unit. So just read it if you want to go fast. Include all the activities and all the videos if you want to do it completely. And then there's the live classroom at 7 p.m. and that's just the WebEx link that'll put you right there. Be careful, this is a 15-point assignment. I will be taking attendance, fair warning, and I'll be asking you to contribute. I'm considering doing another one at Wednesday where we just problem solve, but let's see where that goes. Okay, these are the same two links, so this is Monday and Tuesday. Time this as you need. I know many of you guys have full-time jobs, you have kids, I get it. Here's the video help. I'm going to click on it briefly. This is created by another professor to try to help you with, I believe that's the first lab, right? Yeah, so there it is. And so that's working. And the worksheet here is, I think, very helpful. I've spent a lot of time creating this. I'm going to click on this. And this lab really got my attention. You know, this lab, once it loads up, was a coffee problem. I really like the question. The question says you got some hot coffee, you want to make it a little cooler. How much cold milk should you add? Now, to assist you, I've solved it completely, as has the professor in the Blackboard situation. And this is my own version of it, which I like. If this makes sense to you, you can apply it right here and solve it for a very related problem. It's a relatively challenging thing to do as you walk through this, so it is designed so that if you're struggling a little bit, you can use this one as a model to solve it right here. Also do whatever they say to do for the lab and include your correct screenshot there, and that is Module 2, Lab 1, the coffee problem. Hand that in for 25 points. And then lab 2, same thing, we have a worksheet and we have video help. I think I'll stop clicking on these. Lab 3 does not have video help, but if you take a look at the worksheet, you should see that it's pretty straightforward. You just have, it's like look at the periodic table, so have the periodic table out and tell me about element number 10. This one's done for you. Element number 10 is a noble gas known as neon, symbol Ne, atomic number 10, the average atomic mass 20.18 AMUs, electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Do it for elements 20 through 100 every 10, and you'll have completed that. After that, we just have the assignment. There's the worksheet for that. And the quiz, I've created a YouTube video for the quiz. If you take a look at this, which I'm going to pause immediately so I don't have audio over audio. But this is a lot of types of questions that you need to know for the quiz. We solve each one. I'd recommend you pause, try it, pause, try it. If you need to watch it a couple times till you have it down, do so. And this should help you, I believe, with the quiz itself. So these are your day-by-day activities that avoid cramming and should get you through week 2 for Chemistry 1100C. Email me if you have any problems at all. Thanks.